Hello, my name is Will from Bridgend Ford Transit Centre, and we are pleased to announce that we have our first arrival of the Ford Transit Custom MSRT. Discover the latest Ford Transit Custom combined with MSRT's most standout vehicle to date, combining the character of the rally course with the versatility you expect from a Transit Custom, delivering a reliable, powerful, safe, secure and stylish vehicle for work and play. The British-made twin sports exhaust system and MSRT exterior branding accentuate the design of the vehicle. The MSRT Transit Custom makes sound business sense. All are powered by the Ford EcoBlue 2-litre TDCi engine, giving 405 Nm of torque, making it the pro's choice for towing and shifting heavy loads. The MSRT's state-of-the-art custom conversion includes a front bumper and grille replacement with integrated factory fog lamps, exterior front diffuser, wide body arch extensions, sills, rear diffuser and also a rear spoiler. Thank you for watching the video. If you want any further specification on the Ford Transit Custom MSRT, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01656 300 100. That's 01656 300 100.